What's up guys, Slayer here again. I hope you guys are having a great day. Got the SI behind me. Today we will be working on those templates. Well, the templates we already had cut. I hope you guys already got those cut out. But we will be transferring that to the aluminum I bought from Lowe's. I spent around 35-40 bucks for a square that is 24 inches by 24 inches. I'll show you guys in a second. But anyway, we're gonna get this marked out, get it cut out, put on here hopefully today. But this is my SI Turbo GSR. Some of you guys may know me from Instagram, Slayer's Hatch. There's my logo. But we got the templates over here. Yes, there's tools everywhere. I was working on a customer's car a few minutes ago. I say an hour or so ago. But this happens to be what I'm using. Yes guys, you can use metal, but I just wanted it to be a little lighter because it will be hanging off the bumper. I'm not sure if I'm going to rivet them on yet, but if you guys want to go aluminum, the sheet, I'd say, yeah, was like 40 bucks plus gas. But if it's close for you, good for you. Gonna get you guys mounted up. We're going to get this traced out and cut. Alright guys, before our time lapse, this is what I'm using to mark it out. Usually I'd use a bright color, like if we're going to start cutting on the gray hatch again, which I will, I'll be using a bright yellow paint marker. But since this is silver or aluminum, this will do just fine. Just a little clicking, easy, and time lapse. Alright guys, so now we have this traced out. We're going to cut along this. We're going to leave this on this side. But we're going to cut along this line, go all the way through, go this way. I do not have a bench grinder, but we will take this off, put it in a vise, and we'll slowly grind off the edges to the markings. And it should come out great. Then we'll flip it on the vise and bend this in. That goes towards the intercooler. So let's slay this, get this out of the way, then we'll move on to the other side. Okay guys, so I just switched to my contacts. I have my safety glasses in now, but make sure you have safety glasses. You do not want to be a hero. Cut this and get a piece of aluminum or metal in your eye. I have my vise on top of here. I'm going to cut the shape out first, then we'll grind down. But got my fresh wheel, got this from Harbor Freight, all of it, everything. There's that. Should work just fine. And I'll time lapse this again because I'm sure you guys do not want to hear grinding. If you guys hear fireworks in the background, you already know it's around 4th of July. So we'll get this cut out. Yes guys, I apologize, sound quality may not be the best. I'm recording on my phone. I have not bought a camera yet, but we got this cut out. As you can see, we're going to take this grinder, slowly grind across. We'll time lapse that, and then we'll see what we come up with. We'll make sure we get all the burrs off, then we'll put it on the bumper. Alright guys, so we got this cut. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in the vise, and then we're going to bend it over so we get that curve that goes towards the intercooler. And we'll see where this goes. We should be able to mount it up. It should be perfectly fine. Then we could cut the other side, which I'm going to do in a different, well, off camera because you guys seen how I cut it. Then I'll paint it and we'll throw them on the car. Okay guys, so like I mentioned, let me zoom out a little bit. So as I mentioned, we're going to put 2 pieces of 2x4 right here because this is not wide enough for what we're going to bend. See that? So to where we get this, I have 2 pieces of 2x4 laying around. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys see that I have a lot of wood laying around. pause. But I haven't burned it yet. So it's going to be something like this. Going to crimp it. Nice and tight. Pause. Let's see. Right here should be perfect. Gonna be a nice solid crimp on there so it doesn't slide through. I think someone is riding their ATV around or something. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but now I'm gonna push the whole thing sideways. We might end up cutting this piece off and going straight towards the curve. Not really sure yet, but here we go, folding. And you see how it curves right here, guys? I got a rubber mallet. Go get that real quick. I'm gonna lightly tap it. Okay guys, so I got this rubber mallet. Gonna lightly tap it, like I said. And the curve of the 2x4 will help not have such a sharp 90-degree angle. So, sorry, crimped pretty good. I'd say that's a good bend, don't you guys? Hold on. I think that's a pretty good 90-degree angle to go towards the intercooler. Yes, this is curving a little bit, but that's from all the cutting and stuff. We're gonna cut to the next clip. This will be on the vehicle. Okay guys, so here it is. Test fit number 1. As you see, we're gonna have to shave just a hair off the top, but everything else lines up pretty good. So we're gonna get that marked up, shave it, and we'll come back to this. Okay guys, so we got the height fixed. Looks pretty good to me, but I have a little too much going along right here because there's a gap right here and a gap down here. So I'm gonna get this marked, shave it, and we should be good to go on this side. I'll do this side off camera because you guys have already seen how I've done this. So, yep. Alright, finally. So I got it cut, shaved, mounted. We'll go see what it looks like. I know you guys been waiting. I'll do the other side off camera because I understand you only need to see one side being cut. But we'll go see what it looks like. And alright guys, so as you see, it came out like we planned. The tracing, everything, and this goes straight up and down. Yes, it's slightly tweaked a little bit, as I could see that also, but it's pretty close. Everything else goes as it's supposed to. To transition, remember, when you recut it, you're going to cut more than what you need, because it's better to have more than less, because less, you're going to have a whole new piece. You're going to have to go buy another piece of $40 aluminum, do it all over again. But that's going to conclude this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, and we'll slay some more goals.
Roger did that.